welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I'm Tyler, part-time seller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
And should we mention, because they might hear, and they will. So, if you guys don't know, we did lose our dog of 13 years. A few videos back we talked about that. So we have gotten a puppy. She's not quite camera ready yet, but you're going to hear that. So we needed to mention it. I have posted a few videos on Instagram if you haven't seen it. But yes, her name is Luna. She is a Labradoodle, and she's still working her way into being comfortable in the family.
I think she's comfortable. We're working into making sure that we're comfortable with all the things that she's doing.
Yes, and don't worry, for those of you who loved our 13-year dog, she will be displayed in the videos coming soon. We will be putting a display to her up there, over there, very soon. She is my best friend, and we will not stop talking about her, so I want to just kind of put that out there. Okay, so today's video, while interrupted by dog whines, will be a haul. This was another haul I did without you.
Yeah.
And if you saw my Instagram post, I had said it was an haul because I had been thrift spoiled, and a lot of you guys know why I've been thrift spoiled. You've seen the hauls. It's not a bad haul, so stay and see it, but I am spoiled. What do you think about the haul, since you've seen it?
I mean, you did all right.
So, we've been spoiled. We have been spoiled.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go through them and talk about what we like, what we don't like.
These are Pilcrows.
This is a very Pilcrow heavy haul.
Very. Number 12.
I think that means size 12.
Size 12 linen pants.
Yeah, linen, wide leg. Don't worry about price tags. This store has half-offs and dollar tags, so different colors are different. But yeah, these are really cute. Wide leg is in right now, and I just always like linen, so. Oh, I should probably show the tag because, you know, that's what we do. Here we go.
These are Eileen Fisher Small Petite.
Yeah.
You've actually sold like that same pair of pants
Like
probably
8
3 or 4 times.
Yeah. So there we go. They're just regular pull-on pants. If you guys are not picking up Eileen Fisher pull-on pants, they don't sell for a ton, but $20, $25. They usually sell pretty quickly. Yeah. I find they sell mostly on eBay. But yeah, I mean,
you can get them for a good price. I mean, they'll go. These are more Pilcrows. Number 26.
How would you describe that fabric?
I honestly don't know how I would describe this fabric because it's almost like a suede, but it's not a suede.
It's like it wants to be suede so badly.
It's like a suede cotton somehow. I don't think that's a thing, but it's a thing.
Yeah, it's very, very soft. They're size 26. No flaws. Very comfy. But yeah, they're weird. They're strange.
Yeah. This is
Tommy Bahama.
Tommy Bahama, extra large, mustard yellow.
Yeah, we have actually left this behind so many times, this exact sweater.
Yeah.
Because it's just plain. It's just But you know what? It was a really good price, and it is Tyler's size. So we figured, worst case scenario, Tyler just inherited a sweater.
When I go back to the office at some point, no one
when it gets cold and you want a sweater. Because, you know, honey baby boo boo, we live in New England.
Because I wear sweaters so often. I'm the type of person that wears shorts and a t-shirt and flip-flops out in the snow.
Okay, guys, bet if he does not wear a sweater or a sweatshirt throughout winter, you can prove me wrong.
All right. These are more Pilcrows.
Size 12 again.
Size 12 again. They're also linen. Probably the same person.
Probably. And honestly, I just love this color. But I gotta say, I did take photos for Poshmark for these, and they show up as a deep, dark yellow.
Really?
And I have tried everything. So.
They're not a deep, dark yellow.
No, they are very light.
Light mustard yellow.
Very cute, though. And again, no flaws. So, hey, let's take that.
This is Postmark. No size.
It says right there, silly boy.
Oh, yeah, it's in the tag. Medium. Got
It's in the tag, you know, the size tag. Didn't you say something weird about this one?
It's like a crop top.
But it's like an oversized crop top.
It's a crop top that would fit me if I wanted to wear it.
We should do a fashion show.
It reminds me of the old style cut-off t-shirts that I would have to wear for football.
I mean, I'm willing to check that out.
No,
I mean,
we're not doing that.
Polka dots would really accentuate your eyes.
Under Armour saved my life, and I'm not going back to those days. This is J. Jill, and it's a extra small. It's a really nice kind of patterned sweater.
It's really cute. Now, I will say there is one small flaw. There is a hole somewhere. I don't know where it is, but Tyler will be able to close it up. But I couldn't leave it behind. It's just so cute. I don't know how much of the details you guys can see, but it's like a textured knit. It's really, if I have to keep it, no harm, no foul.
That's something
That's the kiss of death.
Yeah. She'll jump on that grenade, I suppose. So this is Free People.
Yes, it
I
is.
find the tag.
It's not a tag, it's a...
The screen.
Yeah.
Size medium. I think this might be my favorite one of the whole thing because of the graphic.
And it's really cool. What is the graphic of? Something like that.
Old school.
We did a great job.
1800s.
We
1900s.
really explained it. So if you guys actually know what the graphic is of, leave it in the comments because
Looks like $1.
clearly we stink at this.
Looks like $1.
Do you want to put looks like $1 in the description?
Yeah.
Have a Free People shirt. Looks like $1. But yeah, there you go.
People will be so confused. What? You said it's $1. No.
I'll just include $1 in the package. What? It said it looks like $1.
These are something new and different for us. Pilcrows. Size 29. They do have nice raw hem at the bottom.
Yeah, you looked at him. He's like, oh yeah,
Just
they're
normal
plain.
jeans.
They're normal. I'm like, excuse me, normal. But they are size 29, script style. They're cute, and I'm a size 28, so not too far off if I had to keep it.
So this is Millie of New York, and it's a silk.
Yeah.
Dress.
So Millie is something new that I am trying. I don't remember who has been talking about it online. I do have a tweed dress up as well right now. Hasn't been getting a ton of interest, but I really like their stuff. It's so pretty. Retail is really high, but it doesn't seem resale is doing so hot. But hey, you know what? I like it. It's a size 2 and price wasn't awful.
So Armani Collezione.
Okay, I don't know if there's a size on. Oh, there is. It's sneaking. It's a size 4. So I know that Armani has a bunch of different lines, and I don't know which line this is. I haven't done research. It was cheap enough that it didn't really matter. There we go. Because it is this plaid, like, you know, super in style, blazer, has like the belted back that, you know, helps keep it fitted. So I think no matter if it's the low end or the high end, it'll do well. But yeah, and I don't honestly know. So if you guys come to me and tell me that's the low end line, well,
It happens.
it is what it is. But let me know.
So this thing is a monstrosity.
It's a moo-moo.
It's a moo-moo. It's Elizabeth and James extra small, and that's the biggest extra small I've ever seen in my life.
Now, didn't we say this was a Mary Kate and Ashley Olsen brand originally?
I think so.
Because
something like
now we heard the row is, so now I'm confused. So if you guys know, but I know that the retail is very high on these extra small. I haven't researched this particular one. I do have another Elizabeth and James dress up, and it's not getting any interest. But for some reason, I felt like this was so oversized and moo-moo-like that it was inevitable that it was.
Somebody's gonna want to wear it in their house because clothes are confining.
Okay.
Well, it's better than walking around in nothing.
Are you sure?
Well,
Is that how you really feel? Because I don't know.
for the sake of decency and the other people that live with you, yes. You're welcome. The sacrifices I make.
So he's basically saying he'll wear a moo-moo for me. So you guys heard it first.
This is Bowden, and it's 14R. It's a wrap dress with frill.
Yeah, so I buy a lot of Bowden. It usually sells really well. I actually left behind 4 Bowden pieces though. But they were very, very plain, and the price was kind of high. So yeah, US size 14R, which is a good size, and it's an actual wrap. It's not faux wrap. So I don't know how well you guys can see it, and it has like this ruffle neckline, and it goes down to the sleeves. So it's really, really cute, and we always say people love purple, so I think it'll do well.
I think so. This is hideous yellow. This is Alice and Olivia, medium size yellow nightmare blazer.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm getting enveloped in yellow. Yeah, so Allison Olivia, it's their orange tag, which I don't know if the colors mean anything. I don't find a lot of Allison Olivia. What I do find doesn't really go very well, but you know, blazers are in, and
Neon's in.
yeah, it's all in. It's got
highlighter yellow.
It actually has shoulder pads, which is kind of funny because
Highlighter yellow, like that's insane. Who would buy a highlighter yellow? Offensive.
Watch somebody comment and say that they want this blazer.
Oh, somebody is going to comment and say that I'm wrong, but I would argue that
please purchase this to prove him wrong because
I would
think
argue
it's
that they
cute.
are wrong, but that's okay.
I'm gonna buy you a highlighter yellow entire outfit.
No.
Yes.
No, you will not. I will not wear it. These are Stuart Weitzman's. They are.
It's in the inside side. Right in here.
Size 7.
Yeah, so I
Purple
don't
suede.
always buy Stuart Weitzman. I have actually had some good luck with them and some bad. So I have some up right now that have no interest, and then I sold another pair.
For $100.
Yeah, I forget what they were now, but for $100. So these are actually really pretty. They're a suede, peep toe. I think they're really nice. Stiletto heel for sure. So, yeah. So I don't know if anybody's gonna be interested in these, but I couldn't leave them behind. They were too cute.
And they're also in good shape. They'll take a nice suede brush and the heel isn't damaged, which is what we always see.
Seriously.
Everyone.
Which is awful. I don't know if you guys have tried walking around in a damaged heel, but
Well, stop
unsteady.
kicking your feet out at the desk or wherever you are and just walk on them.
Oh, mister, I've never worn heels a day in my life, so I don't know what it's like.
Yeah, and these are Bayen.
Yes. So this is actually, if you guys have seen one of Nicole State's most recent videos, if I can find it, I will link it below. But she was talking about how this type of shoe is in style right now, and she had picked up a new to her brand and found out that they were worth a lot. So I saw these and I'm like, you know what? These are really well made. They're that style, not the same brand, but looks really nice. I looked them up and the comps seem to be around 100, 150. I don't know if that's what they're gonna go for. Obviously, I've never seen this brand before, but based on Nicole State talking about that, I figured, why not give it a shot?
It's also on the side heel for the logo.
Oh yeah, the side. So I mean, I think they're very well made, and I think that they will do well. The size, they're made in Portugal. The size is 36, which I don't know what it translates to off the top of my head. All brands are different, but I can throw it up on the screen so you guys can see if anybody is interested in these. They look really, really nice. I think they look well made.
They definitely feel nice.
I mean, they do need some cleaning, so we will be cleaning up the soles and stuff. But other than that,
Polishing up the white leather with a little bit of Wonder Balm.
But I don't see any real damage.
No.
So we'll see. And if they do well, then thank you, Nicole State, for talking about that. Because I did recently sell Fry sneakers that were similar for, I think it was 50?
50 something bucks, yeah.
Yeah, but
that
I
was
figured...
from the Thread Up shoebox.
Yeah, it was. But I thought that was because they were Fry. But if that style is in, I'll give them a go. See how it does.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyways, that is our haul. So very soon we are going to be trying a Thrift With Me haul. Don't know if it's going to make it to the channel because I don't know how it's going to go with my anxiety and with our microphone. So what I'm going to ask from you guys is let us know in the comments below how the microphone is doing for you guys. Is it loud enough? We are playing around with our format, trying to figure it out. We are not able to get an external microphone just yet because our camera doesn't have an adapter for that. But we're playing with the audio. So please let us know in the comments below if it is working for you so that we know that we can go out on the road and do one of these and it will work for you. Yeah. Anyways, if you like this video, if you like this type of content, you want to see more hauls, please give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell right next to it so you're notified every time we post a new video. I post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Although we have been delayed, we are doing our best. We are trying to get back on track, I promise you. So yeah, leave us comments, let us know what you think, let us know if you have any information that we don't have, and we will be back really soon with a new video.
Thank you all for watching.